Pierce-Lackey, and I am a stylist and the owner of KESH Color Lab Salon. I started KESH Color Lab. We moved to Eugene, my husband and my two little boys moved to Eugene it's been like 2.5 years now. I've been styling for a long time, like 10 years, and it felt like the next natural step in what I was doing. I've been learning more about business and finances and just what I actually want to do with my life. So I ended up opening up KESH Color Lab, and it was really important to me to have a space where I felt safe to be creative and expressive, and a place that I felt that my clients would feel safe to grow and change and become who they are. Some of our core values are like, I love the earth. And so I am a huge advocate for being as sustainable as possible. I want everything about this salon to benefit our planet. I want as much of what we are doing to be benefiting and giving back to the earth rather than pouring toxins into the earth. And so we use all natural products. All of our color and everything like that is as sustainable as it gets for being a chemical product. So the product line that I use for color is 98% biodegradable, and most of it is botanically derived, which is incredible. Nobody's doing that except for this particular company. I think it's really exciting to be able to find ways to give back and find ways for this salon to benefit as many people in our community as possible. So like a lot of the artwork or the stations that we have, a lot of our stuff has been made by our clients or just local artisans, and then everything that we can buy locally or thrifted, we do. The experience that I hope that our clients have when they're here is I want them to feel like they're coming over to just spend time finding themselves. With KESH, I really hope the experience is people come in and that they feel safe to figure out who that is, who they are, and that they want to grow into that person. So it's like a much deeper level than just coming and getting your hair done. It can launch you into finding yourself. Like if you feel like yourself, you feel like you can do it. So many women leave the salon just feeling like that power of like, I do look good, I can do anything. We hope that you leave feeling a little bit closer to who you were designed to be. I think that if you're looking for a new salon, if our morals and values line up with who you are and you want to get on board with protecting the earth and finding out who you are and growing as a person and as a community, this is a really great place to do that, just because the stylists here promote that so well. Everybody is so friendly, so welcoming. I highly doubt you would ever come into the salon and feel that who you are right now walking through that door is not welcome here. We truly just love people. And so I think that if you want to be loved, you want to be well loved, and you want to try something new with your hair, then this is definitely the place to do it.